Welcome to our channel. If you need to temporarily freeze your debit card to prevent unauthorized use, follow these step-by-step instructions to secure your account. Step 1. Download and open your bank's mobile app on your smartphone. Most banks now offer instant card freezing features through their mobile applications. Step 2. Log into your account using your username, password, and any two-factor authentication required for security verification. Step 3. Navigate to the Card Management or Account Services section. Look for options like Manage Cards, Card Controls, or Card Settings. Step 4. Select the specific debit card you want to freeze if you have multiple cards linked to your account. Step 5. Tap the Freeze Card, Lock Card, or Turn Off Card button to temporarily disable the card for purchases and ATM withdrawals. Step 6. Confirm the freeze action when prompted. The card will be immediately disabled for all transactions while you retain it physically. Step 7. Use the card freeze feature when you've misplaced your card but haven't confirmed it's stolen, or when traveling to prevent unauthorized international transactions. Step 8. Unfreeze your card anytime by returning to the same menu and tapping Unfreeze or Unlock Card to restore normal functionality instantly. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel.